Hello everyone and welcome to week 3 of JumpStart. Before we begin, we would like to give a huge thanks to our generous sponsors for making this event possible.
Thank you to our gold tier sponsors, Altura NFT and Connecting Windsor Essex. We would also like to give a thank you to our silver tier sponsor, WeTech Alliance. And we'd also like to thank our bronze tier sponsors, Windsor Family Credit Union, Echo AR, Sticker Mule, Tascade, 1Password, Art of Problem Solving, the University of Windsor's School of Computer Science, Generation XYZ, Interview Cake, IEEE's Windsor Section, VoiceFlow, and the University of Windsor's Students' Alliance. We're also super happy to present our partners Hack the North and Major League Hacking. Just a brief summary of the rules once more. Please comply with the directives issued by any and all MasseyHacks VIII organizers. Harassment of any kind is completely intolerable. Discrimination and disrespect against people of specific races, schools, sexual orientations, beliefs, or political views will result in disqualification and dismissal from the event. Essentially, don't be a jerk and treat others the way you would like to be treated. Also, please ensure that you abide by the MLH Code of Conduct at all times. With regards to our challenge submission rules, all work submitted to the MasseyHacks, JumpStart, and associated events must be your original work. In addition, all projects must have been started no earlier than the start of the week's challenge, unless otherwise specified, and no cross-submitting is permitted. Finally, the verdicts of all judges regarding prizes and awards are final. If you need any help during the event, use the ticket system under the support category on Discord. Please do not ping or privately message an organizer directly, as it is extremely hard to keep track of requests that way. Don't forget about these important links during the event. If you haven't joined Discord yet, please do so at join.masseyhacks.ca. All our event announcements, activities, and information is available on Discord. And as always, all our ceremonies and workshops are recorded and available on our YouTube channel at watch.masseyhacks.ca.
Thank you to everyone who participated in last week's web dev events. And now, on to the third week of JumpStart, hardware. Here's the outline for today. Hardware week will focus on Arduinos and how to use them, which we'll talk about primarily in our first workshop, Intro to Arduinos, from 1:15 to 2:30. Then we'll have a Kahoot activity to go over the content learned in the workshop and have a break from 2:30 to 3. From 3 to 4, join us for our second Arduino workshop where we'll be going over more examples so you can become more proficient with using Arduinos. From 4 to 5, we'll be providing some more practice activities for you to work on and take it up at the end. The hardware challenge will be released tonight. The deadline to submit is on Friday, April 29th at 11:59 p.m. Try your best to get a completed submission in by this time. However, incomplete submissions will still earn you points toward winning the overall JumpStart prizes. This week, the first prize will be an Arduino kit, and the second place prize will be LED lights. That concludes the hardware opening ceremonies. We'll see you at the workshop starting at 1:15.